Hello everyone, welcome back to Rehaai College of Technology. Today we will learn how to make simple conversations in English, an important step toward becoming a confident speaker. A conversation is a natural exchange of ideas between two or more people. To communicate effectively, it is important to keep your sentences simple, clear, and polite. A basic conversation usually has three parts. First, we begin with a greeting. Hello, how are you? Good morning. Second, we continue with a simple exchange. What are you doing? Where are you going? I am going to college. I am studying for my exam. Third, we close the conversation politely. Nice to talk to you. See you later. For example, hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. What about you? I am doing well. Nice to talk to you. See you later. At Rehaai College of Technology, we encourage students to practice conversations daily. The more you speak, the more comfortable you become. From a Christian perspective, communication should be respectful, kind, and honest. The way we speak reflects our character. Speaking politely and listening carefully shows respect for others. For example, I speak kindly, I listen carefully, I respond with respect. Do not worry about making mistakes. Focus on speaking regularly and clearly. Simple conversations are the foundation of fluent English. Practice them every day and your confidence will grow. Thank you.